are we prepared to go the way of Canada and possibly cut or diminish diplomatic ties?
Well, given the steps undertaken by the president on the Canada trash issue, that's more likely.
Meaning, sir, you might, the second step would be lessening diplomatic ties at this point.
As I said, given his action prior, baka yun din, o baka mas severe pa. Hindi natin alam. We'll leave it to the president.
Sir, on another related note, the president has been personally informed of the Chinese incident, correct?
Yeah, alam niya na yan.
Would you know his exact reaction when?
Wala, hindi pa kami nagkakausap tungkol doon.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Still on China? Raymond, wala kang follow-up? Okay, the other issue, Hania?
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Sir, may reaction po ba si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte about dun sa Pinay na ni-rape ng isang Kuwaiti police airport officer po?
I don't know if, well, I haven't talked to him with that, but we're certainly outraged by that. And Secretary Bello is responding to that.